Is this Chelsea or Barbie set with Chelsea, a floaty, animals, towel, and a water bottle? And there's some water too. It's Chelsea's birthday, and she's at a zoo. Welcome to Aria's Fun TV. Guys, I'm gonna open the stuff now. Don't worry, I'll get water. So, this TV is gonna be easy. Watch out, monkey. Woo-hoo. That was fun, huh, Chelsea? Okay, guys. I'm gonna put the lion inside it. Your turn, lion. Woo! Chelsea. I'm gonna take half my towel on. I'm so thirsty. I would have my drink in the pool. I've been in the zoo for a long time. Oh, I love being Chelsea. I get to go to the zoo. Chelsea, wake up! Chelsea, wake up! Oh, sorry. Was I sleeping? Yes, you were sleeping in the pond. Sorry, I was sleeping in the zoo. Can't sleep in the zoo. Oh, what'd you say? I said you can't sleep in the zoo. Chelsea, you are a little naughty rascal. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bell up there, right there, or in the middle. Side by side, by the top, left, bottom, wherever. But she is gonna start packing up for home time. But what do you think of Barbie? Do you think she's having so much fun, or do you think she's having not fun? Hit the like button if you like this video. Bye-bye.